Hi, good morning. How you doing? I'm Jim with the maintenance department here at the Grand at Riverview. Today we're going to talk about a common problem which affects a lot of the homes here, and that is condensation backup leaks from your air conditioning system. The area of trouble is right here at this piece of equipment. This is called the air handler in your apartment, and it literally handles the air. There's a fan that moves it over for your heating and your cooling and circulates the conditioned air. So what you're going to do is remove this panel, and I'll show you where the problem persists. It is right underneath of here. This is actually where the drain is for your air conditioning. So your air conditioning has a pan underneath of here. We just pull this filter back, you can see this is the actual cooling coil, and this builds up condensation on it. And as that condensation slides down here into the drain pan, there's a small hole in the bottom of this drain pan, which goes underneath of here into your drain connections and out of the building. Now, the trouble is that occasionally that hole can become blocked, and if it does, water will spill over into this void underneath of your HVAC system. So what we're going to show you today is a very, very low-cost preventative measure you can take to prevent any damage to your downstairs neighbor. So we have here a very, very basic water alarm. This goes for about $20. Amazon, your local plumbing supply house, your HVAC supply house will all have equipment similar to this. You want something with a wire and a flat surface sensor. What this does is it has two prongs on it, and if water crosses over those two prongs closing the connection, this will send a chirping alarm and let you know that there's some water. So this simple installation is you just take this, put it underneath of here in the void, make sure that sensor is down on the floor. This way, if water spills over your pan into this void underneath of here, it will set off this alarm. And then you just close this back up, and you can put this right here. And that's all there is to it. What this is going to do for you is this is going to provide that extra preventative measure, that alarm, so that if you have a condensation backup, which you otherwise would not necessarily notice, it's going to set off that alarm. You know immediately you have a problem. You can shut off your air conditioner. It's going to save your downstairs neighbor a lot of hassle and may save you $10,000 worth of insurance claims for the downstairs resident if any damage occurs. So $25 versus a large insurance claim, it's well worth it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, as always, reach out to us in the management office. Thank you.